What's up, YouTube? I'm back again with another video. Today I'm going to be doing a Stranger Things shirt in honor of season 3 that's coming out next year. I don't know how excited y'all are about it, but I'm very excited. So the materials I'm going to use today are my usual, my weeding materials, my slicer. I have the Stranger Things already cut through Cricut on my red vinyl. I didn't have a black shirt, so I'm going to use a gray one. I have my cookie sheet for when I'm ready to press, and I'm going to try my easy press again. I already have it set and ready, so this shouldn't be a long process at all. Okay, first thing that I'm going to do is cut my stencil. I'm gonna put our extra to the side, of course, so we can use it for something else. We need our weeder. Which I use the simple weeder almost every time. So we're gonna weed. Okay, you guys, once we have our vinyl cut out, I'm going to use this wood plank again so I won't have the issue with the carpet, so I can have a hard background. And usually, I'm going to fold the shirt directly down the middle and iron it so I can have a center line. I usually get my shirts from T-Shirt Max. It's like a wholesale place. So I'm gonna let it go for the 30 seconds. Okay, we're gonna unfold it, and we have a little line down it, which isn't too noticeable, but it'll work. I'm gonna place my vinyl . I'm gonna turn the wood so it goes straight across the chest. Yeah. So all I do is step back and get a better view so I can make sure that it is lined up straight, or as straight as I can get it, because I don't have like a ruler or anything to measure it. So I'm going to use my cookie sheet and then press it for 30 seconds. Okay, put it back on this little stand, and I think we are good. Oh, wait a second. Okay, we got a little mishap right here. So I'm gonna get a tool to flatten it out. So I'm gonna press it again, but this time I'm gonna press it for about 10 seconds without the cookie sheet. Still pretty hot, but not as hot. Okay, so I'm going to put the cookie sheet back over and press it one more time just to secure the vinyl. Do it one more time. I'm not gonna do it for 30 seconds, just about 15. I just like to make sure it's extra secure. Okay. All right, you guys. So this is our final I'm very happy how this turned out. It came out dang near perfect. So make sure you guys like, subscribe, and comment. Give me suggestions on what I should do next. I appreciate you guys watching. Until next time.